Hi everyone, welcome back. This is episode number 2.
Today's topic is introducing yourself.
Let's start. In our last episode, Jack and I met at a coffee shop and said hello for the first time.
Now we're meeting again at the same coffee shop. And today we're going to introduce ourselves properly.
Good morning, Jack.
Good morning, Sarah. Nice to see you again.
Nice to see you too. How are you today?
I'm good, thank you. A little tired, but good.
Tired? Why?
I woke up early today. I couldn't sleep well last night.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that. Do you want some coffee?
Yes, please. Coffee always helps.
Ha! Me too. I drink coffee every morning.
Same here. It's part of my daily routine.
So, Jack, tell me about yourself. We talked a little last time, but I want to know more.
Sure. My name is Jack. J-A-C-K.
How old are you, Jack? If you don't mind me asking.
I'm 28 years old. And you?
I'm 26.
Nice. We're close in age.
Yes, we are. So, where are you from, Jack?
I'm from Chicago. It's a big city.
Oh, Chicago. I've heard it's beautiful.
It is. There's a big lake, tall buildings, and good food.
That sounds wonderful. I'm from a small town in Ohio.
Really? What's it like there?
It's quiet. Small houses, friendly people, lots of trees.
That sounds peaceful.
It is. But now I live here, in this city.
Me too. I moved here last year.
Oh, nice. Do you like it here?
Yes, I like it a lot. But it's very different from Chicago.
How is it different?
It's smaller and quieter. But I like that.
I understand. Change can be nice sometimes.
Exactly. So, Sarah, what do you do? Do you work?
Yes, I'm a teacher. I teach English, actually.
Oh, that's great. Do you enjoy it?
I love it. I like helping people learn new things.
That's wonderful. Teaching is important work.
Thank you. And you, Jack? What do you do?
I'm an engineer. I work with computers.
Oh, interesting. Is it hard work?
Sometimes, yes. But I like it. I like solving problems.
That's a good skill to have.
Thanks. So, do you have a family here, Sarah?
Yes, I have a small family. My mom, my dad, and one sister.
That's nice. Do you see them often?
Not very often. They live far away. But we talk on the phone every week.
That's good. Family is important.
Yes, it is. What about you, Jack? Do you have family here?
I have a brother. He lives in Chicago still. My parents are there too.
So you moved here alone?
Yes, just me. It was a big change.
That must have been hard.
A little bit, yes. But I made new friends, like you.
Aw, thank you, Jack. I'm happy we're friends now.
Me too. So, Sarah, what do you like to do in your free time?
I like reading books, and I like walking in the park.
That sounds relaxing.
It is. What about you? What do you like to do?
I like playing football, and I like watching movies.
Oh, fun! What kind of movies do you like?
I like action movies, and funny movies too.
I like funny movies too. They make me laugh.
Yes, laughing is good for the soul.
I agree. So do you cook, Jack, or do you eat out a lot?
I try to cook, but I'm not very good at it.
Huh? What do you cook?
Simple things. Eggs, rice, chicken, easy food.
That's okay. Simple food is good food.
True. Do you cook, Sarah?
Yes, I love cooking. It's one of my hobbies.
What's your favorite thing to cook?
I love making pasta with tomatoes and cheese.
That sounds delicious.
it is. Maybe I can cook for you sometime.
I would love that. Thank you, Sarah.
Of course. Friends help friends.
So true. Hey, can I ask you something?
Sure, go ahead.
Do you have any plans for this weekend?
Not yet. Why do you ask?
Well, there's a small park festival this weekend. Music, food, games.
Oh, that sounds fun.
Would you like to go with me and some friends?
Yes, I would love that. Thank you for inviting me.
Great. It will be fun. You can meet my friends too.
I'd like that a lot. What time does it start?
I think it starts at 11 in the morning.
Perfect. I'm free all day on Saturday.
Wonderful. I'll text you the details later.
Sounds good. I'm excited now.
Me too. It's nice to have plans with a friend.
Oh, yes, it is. This city feels a little more like home now.
I feel the same way. Thank you, Sarah, for being so kind.
Of course, Jack. That's what friends are for.
Well, I should go now. I have work soon.
Me too. I have a class to teach.
It was really nice talking with you today.
It was nice talking with you too. I learned a lot about you.
Same here. See you on Saturday, Sarah.
See you on Saturday, Jack. Have a great day. Bye.
You too. Bye for now.
Learning English is just like this conversation, one small step at a time.
That's right. Don't be afraid to make mistakes.
Practice every single day, even for just a few minutes.
Talk to people. Ask questions. Introduce yourself.
You will get better and better, I promise.
Keep going. You're doing great already.
Thank you so much for watching today, everyone.
Yes, thank you. We hope you enjoyed learning with us.
Now you know how to introduce yourself in English.
Don't forget to practice what you learned today.
And come back for our next episode. The story continues.
You won't want to miss it.
Thanks again, everyone. Take care.
See you in episode number 3, talking about your family.